Hey friends, welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these beautiful, inexpensive, lighted snow globe ornaments. So to start, I got these bottle brush trees for $3 at the Target bullseye section, these $1 tree shatterproof ornaments, a glue gun and pennies, some buffalo snowflakes for $3 at Target, some Dollar Tree wire LED lights, and these little silver balls for $1 at Target. I had 12 trees total and 4 ornaments, so I put 3 trees in each ornament. I wanted to make sure that my first tree, the one in the middle, was going to be weighted, so I stacked 3 pennies with some glue in between them to weigh it down. Next, I created a little funnel so that I could put my snow in each ornament. Being here in South Florida, this will be the only snow that we get in our house. So let me know where you live. I would love to hear where you're from and what the weather is like for you. Do you guys get snow in the Christmas time or not? Let me know. Okay, so after I put my snow in, I shook it around and I was ready to put my first tree in. Now, mind you, this was the first time that I was doing this and it was on camera, so I did have to, play with it a little bit. But I went ahead and put that first tree in, and then I decided I was gonna put in my other trees on the side afterwards. You kind of want to bury them in a little bit. It's kind of like you're planting them. You want to shake up the snow a little bit and just get them deep in there so that they don't move around too much. I grabbed a pair of tweezers and I decided to get in there that way. It's easier than trying to use my fingers, and that way I can manipulate the trees and move them where I wanted. Isn't it looking so cute? So after this, I went ahead and got my little silver balls, and I just wanted them to look like little big chunks of snow in there. So I put those on top and just scattered them. And keep in mind, you could also put whatever you want in here. It doesn't have to be these little bottle brush trees. You could find anything small, like little, I don't know, candy canes or little different ornaments that you find. They have so many of them out there, and you could get really creative with this. What inspired me to create this ornament was these string lights that I bought at the Target bullseye section for $5. They were like little Christmas light bulbs, and inside they had the little trees with the snow, and I thought they were so cute, and I got them. But I just like these better because they're bigger and have more than one little tree. They have 3 trees, and so I just love them because I can use them as a garland or use them on my Christmas tree. There's so many different ways that you can hang these up. So for this specific ornament that you see me making here, I decided to hot glue the middle tree in first to see if that would make it easier to maneuver them around, and it did, and it actually worked nicely because it created a height difference between the trees, so it made it look really natural that way. You just have to be very careful with the glue because it can leave like little stringy, stretchy glue all over your ornaments, so be very careful with that. Next, I got these copper wire LED lights with some of the Dollar Tree batteries for $1, and I went ahead and unspun them and made them just stretch out as long as they could be. I wanted to gauge how I wanted to arrange my ornaments. So I decided that I was going to put an ornament in every other light bulb. What I love about these little wire lights is that the wire is bendable, so I was able to kind of bend it into the ornament and put it over the edges, and then after that I was able to put the top on the ornament. Guys, I am so obsessed with these. I feel like they look like a little winter wonderland snow globe, and I just love them. Let me know if you are liking this video. Give me a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Any crafty friends out there, share this with them. It's just such an easy way to create a just beautiful ornament for Christmas. If you're new here or if you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me and my family, and I'm just so blessed and just thankful. We recently reached 10,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to all of you that watch my videos. And this is how they turned out, guys. I'm obsessed. I think they are so beautiful. And this was with all the lights turned off in my house, and it just gives such an ambiance, such a cozy feeling. I just love them.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold.
Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time in another Christmas video. Bye.
Sitting by the fire.